Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell XPX P91F. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell XPX P91F is getting unbearably hot, you're not alone. Overheating can occur due to dust accumulation in the internal components or failing thermal paste. If left unchecked, this can lead to hardware damage and affect the overall performance of your device. In this video, we'll show you how to address this issue effectively. For this repair, you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning, and new thermal paste. Start by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft, static-free surface. Carefully remove the back panel using the plastic spudger. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back is off, locate the CPU cooling fan. This is usually situated near the processor and is often the culprit for overheating. Disconnect the fan's power cable, which is typically a small connector plugged into the motherboard. Next, remove the screws securing the fan in place. These are usually Phillips screws, so use your screwdriver to take them out, applying a moderate amount of force. Lift the fan away and set it aside. Now, look for the old thermal paste on the CPU. Use a lint-free cloth or paper towel soaked in isopropyl alcohol to clean off the old paste. Make sure the surface is clean and dry before applying the new thermal paste. Apply a small, pea-sized amount of the new thermal paste onto the center of the CPU. Reattach the cooling fan by aligning it back into place and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the power cable for the fan, ensuring it's firmly attached. Before closing the back panel, it's a good idea to turn on the device briefly to check if the fan is spinning correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully place the back panel back onto the device, ensuring all clips are secured. Firmly press down around the edges to lock it in place. To prevent overheating in the future, ensure you regularly clean out the dust from your device and consider investing in a cooling pad. Keeping your device in a ventilated area can also help. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.